you're here. I'm pleased, I really dig your company.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's nice to see you guys again. I bet you didn't think you'd see me so soon, huh? When I promise, I promise. So anyways, I'm back today because I'm just gonna be doing a quick DIY. I kind of already started it last night and put half of it together, and I'm just gonna be putting the other half together. So come and join me. Hopefully it's a nice DIY that you guys will enjoy and will want to do yourselves. Some dried roses here. And it just popped into my mind, why don't you just spray paint some roses gold? I love gold things, so I'm just gonna spray paint the roses gold. And I also have a door stopper that I'm also gonna be painting gold as well. I've been talking about it for months and now I'm just getting to it. And then this is what I'll be using, the Rust-Oleum. So this is the spray paint. It's a very good spray paint to use if you are interested in spray painting because it really does last a long time. I painted some wine glasses about 3 years ago and they still look the same. They haven't lost their shine. They're still very nice looking. They're not dull at all. So if you're interested in spray painting, definitely go with the Rust-Oleum brand. It's a good choice for you to make. And as you can see, start to come up on me, so I have to put the corners down with some rocks or something. So once I'm done spray painting, you know, the plastic won't go on. So let me just grab some rocks and I'll be right back. These are the rocks I got. You just take the Rust-Oleum, make sure you shake it very well. I'm gonna try to like separate them out a little bit and give them a little bit of space. It doesn't want to listen to me though. You see, it's because it knows I only have one hand to work with, that's why. Hold on, let me try to use my hand a little bit. So try to space them out as best as you can. Oh, hold on, let me put this, a little bit of tension in the thing there. So separate them all out. Here goes another one. This one's coming apart, so I'm just gonna throw it. I try my best to not clip it in the, what is it called, in the butter or whatever. I try to give it a little ways down so the rows would stay together. But this one is just not a very good rose. Like, I guess it's decaying too much because I wasn't drying them. I just left them, like, you know, in the kitchen. So I should have probably been drying them this whole time, but they're dry enough. I'm not gonna worry myself. So I put that one to the side. I should actually spray paint some petals. That would be cute, eh? Let me get you back. You see, the stone that the builder refuses, eh? That's a Jamaican saying. Turns the head cornerstone. Okay. So there's that. Separate them out more. Try to be careful, like I was showing you. Like, I clipped it off a little bit ways down so the rows will stay attached. I'm gonna go try to get myself like a thin sweater because I'm burning up. Hold on. Do not laugh at me. Do not laugh at me, okay? It is boiling out here. Do you not see the sun? So I had to put this little shawl thing on, little scarf on, because I cannot handle it. Oh, here comes my dog. We're gonna spray paint them like one side and then come back in like a couple minutes when it's a little bit dry and then spray paint the other. One last shake. It is absolutely boiling out here. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, good day for them to dry, but bad day for me. All right, let's go. So as you can see, I'm gonna try to aim for these two. Oh my goodness, do you see the luster on that? I wasn't even expecting that low-key, and I've already used it before. Fail. So, you don't have to do too much. I'm just doing it in little bursts because I don't need to waste it. And be careful, please make sure that you're doing this outside and not in an unventilated area. You do not want to be breathing this in. It's not good for you. So make sure you protect yourself first. You come first before anything, alright? So let's spray paint them. This is so beautiful. Low-key shocked. I haven't used this in years, so I forgot like how good it is. Look at these ones that are done. It's gorgeous. And this is kind of tricky when you have long nails because it's like literally going in underneath my nails. Fail. I'm trying to figure out like a better way I can hold it. I think maybe like this, where my thing's to the side. You see? That makes sense, eh? Okay. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I need another piece of paper. Paper? You guys will definitely realize I use the wrong words all the time. Emergency! Emergency! Yes. Can we go get another brick? This is like really like real life, I guess. It's hard doing things with one hand. Okay, I think it should be good now, so let's get started again. I think this one turned over because I don't remember it being that way. Just a light coat, guys, not too much because you don't want them to be soaking wet. You just want a nice little coat on them. See that one? It came off the bottom. So that's probably just going to be petals, to be honest. Just be careful with how hard you spray them because they low-key want to fall apart. You see that? That's why I'm doing it in short little bursts. They can't handle all that pressure. And I'm going to these I'm just going to do in long bursts because I ain't got the time for that. It'd be cute if the purple ones, you see the purple, if they keep some of their purple. I think that would be so very cute. So I'm not gonna try to douse the purple ones. I'm just gonna lightly spray them so you still see some of the purple. Okay. So I think that should be it for right now. And then we'll come back in, let's say, a half an hour and we'll flip them over because they're in the direct sunlight. So they should be pretty good by then. You see how I just blew that one? This is dangerous, very dangerous. Oh, it's also flammable and explosive, and if you eat it, you'll die. So don't do any of those things, please. I'm begging you. Be smart. Okay, so let's go on to this guy. Look at him. Isn't he so cute? He's so cutesy. I haven't came up with a name for him yet, so if you guys want to throw a name down in the comment section, let me know, and we'll name him together. All right, let's ready? Let's go. With him too. See, I kind of sprayed it a little bit too much right there, and it's kind of like resting. Almost, it seemed like it was, but it's basically drying out. So let's keep on going. Do it in small bursts like I taught you, not in long ones, and make sure you do it some ways away so it won't settle. I hope I'm getting it on the camera. So make sure you do all around his little buns. I always like human eyes, like inanimate objects. I don't know if anyone else does that, but I do that. Look at his little tail. You cannot tell me that that is not the cutest little thing. That's some of the roses going over to this side. They didn't get any, so I'm just gonna spray in little first, remember. Not even bad if it keeps a little bit of the red because that's kind of cute, no? So this is what it looks like so far. We'll work 30 minutes and then we will come back. So I forgot to mention that this is a DIY for a vase or centerpiece for your table or whatever you may need. And I also forgot to mention that the Rust-Oleum you saw me using was the same Rust-Oleum from 3 years ago, which I used to spray paint this vase right here. Decided to bring it outside so you guys could like really see the fullness of it. As you can see, like within 3 years, it hasn't been really scuffed up. It still has its shine. The little scuffs on it are from me, and it's not, you know, the product. To me, it's held up pretty good. Once you do it, you'll be good for a really long time. So definitely a good choice. And as you can see, like I just put some flowers in it. I think it looks really cute, and yeah. Sun's still hitting out here. I am boiling. I wonder how hot it really is, because this is just about way too much. I can do the other side and then give this guy another coat. So you'll just be seeing me do that quickly. Something for my legs too, because they're boiling. They're like little let me take that back about little sausages. No, they're like sausages frying in the sausage pan. This is very hot. It's very hot out here. I bet you guys are so tired of hearing that. Okay, so let's flip them over. They are dry, by the way. Let's flip this one over. See? We have to do the other side. Be very gentle, guys, when you're flipping this over. Please take your time. There's no rush. This is very, very delicate. If a petal comes off, no big deal, but you want the rows to stay together like that. You don't want it to come apart. So please be very careful. And it sticks a little to the paper. This is a really pretty flower, as you can see. Looks really nice with the hints of gold, eh? So flip that over into the other side. Everything is flipped over now. You can see the redness there. So we're gonna cover up, and then we will be done. And we're just gonna let it stay for a little bit longer, maybe an hour, maybe 2 out in the sun until the sun goes away. We're gonna pick them up, and then we're gonna go put together the centerpieces. So it's just this little guy that's left now. We're just gonna give him another coat. He's so cute, I can't get over it. Make sure you wear something that you don't care about ruining as well, because the fumes and the paint, as you can see, it's flying, you see? You'll get on your clothes and you don't want your good clothes to be ruined, so there's something that's not so good. See, I'm gonna try to pull it down a bit so I can get to his tail. I just put that concrete there, or that block brick. Give all of them a quick little spray over. Any places you've missed at all. Like I said, we're gonna just leave this out in the sun, because sun's kind of going away now, until they're completely dry. So once I get ready to pick them up, I'll come grab you guys and we'll head over and put the vases together. All right, see you guys. Literally been like 2 seconds, but my dogs want to come outside, so I'm just going to transfer them over onto this dish. Please be careful. Surprisingly, they are dry enough. So yeah, they look pretty, no? This one has a little bit of red still, but they're going to be upright like this, so it doesn't really matter. And plus the red kind of looks a little cute with it. This one though, I'm gonna spray paint again because I missed the inside. So it's okay to go over them like that, guys, and look and see if they're to your liking. Not everything can get done the first coat. This one here that I want to kind of redo, I'm just gonna put it right there. I'm gonna try to move lightly. these out of the way. See, the rose petal ripped, but that's okay. Okay, and then I saw this one over here as well, kind of doing the same kind of thing. That one's kind of wet. I'm just gonna quickly spray these to my liking. That one's fine, I think. Move the rest over. Be very careful again. They look so pretty to me. This one's root came off. You see that? That's kind of cute too. Wow. So it's all done. Inside, looks so pretty inside. So I'm finally gonna put the vases together. This is what it looks like underneath a ring light. This is at nighttime. Sorry about that, guys. But you can see it's really shiny and really pretty. And this is our guy here. You can tell he's like super shiny and nice. In terms of the vases, I told you guys I already did them last night, so I'm just going to be adding the roses now. This is what I came up with. Put 3 vases. There is moss in the bottom that I got from the dollar store. Everything is from the dollar store. The vase, the crystals, and the moss. So I got some moss, put it in the bottom because I thought it'd be cool, kind of like the earth growing up, I don't know. And then the crystals could represent water in some way. And then obviously I'm gonna come and I'm gonna put the roses in the center. So hopefully it will turn out well. I hope so. Let's see how this will go because I haven't done this before. Let me grab one of these. I'm not sure how much is gonna fit in here. So I'm just gonna continue placing them and I'll let you guys see once I'm done. So I did 3 variations for you to see. This one has 4 roses. This one rose. It looks cute. It looks like it's just growing up out of the stones. And this one has 2 roses. So that's also cute. I think I'm gonna do it like this just so I get to use all the roses. All right, I'll get back to you guys once it's all done. This is the final result. I try to use all of the flowers and try to make them all look the same. Obviously the one in the middle is the tallest because it's in the middle. Get a closer look. I just wanted to mention or get a clip of this. This is just what it looks like without any ring light on it. It's still very beautiful. So you can see, even more beautiful without it, I think. But just so you can see, it's not the lighting, it's actually the spray paint. So that's the final product. Hopefully you guys like it. You don't have to put the long flowers in it like I did. I just wanted to use them up. Maybe eventually I'll just take them out. But that's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. And I hope it's something that you do try. Alright guys, I'll see you another time. Bye. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.